Welcome to today's video, and I am wearing the same shirt because let's be quite honest, I don't have a Luigi shirt. That being said, we're going to draw Luigi in 60 seconds. Paper Luigi. Let's get started. These are getting worse and worse. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops, I forgot what I was doing. Well then, I could do that a lot better. Sorry, Luigi. I'm sorry, Luigi. You deserve so much better. Here's Luigi, and peace, love, and hot sauce. We're not going to talk about that one. And until tomorrow, as always, thanks for watching. Mamma mia.